Most people think wealth is just about money, but that's a huge mistake. Money isn't wealth. It's just a tool to build true wealth. There's a famous quote, "The rich invest in time, the poor invest in money." Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This perfectly highlights that real wealth comes in many forms. What if I told you there are 7 types of wealth, and without them all, you'll never be truly rich? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I promise, by the end of this, you'll see money and success in a whole new way. 1. Financial wealth, the one everyone talks about. Let's start with the obvious. Money matters. It gives you freedom, security, and solves many problems. But here's the secret. Focus on assets that appreciate over time. Build multiple income streams and avoid lifestyle inflation. The goal? Make your money work for you so you don't have to work forever. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. 2. Time wealth, the one you can't buy back. Time is the only resource you can never get back. Time is money. Once spent, it never returns. The wealthy understand this, which is why they set boundaries and create systems that protect their time. Follow the 80-20 rule. Spend your 20s building for your 80s. 3. Physical wealth is true wealth. You can't enjoy success if your body is breaking down. That's why your health is your greatest investment. Think about it, a sick millionaire would trade all their money for good health. So don't neglect yours. Exercise daily, eat clean, and prioritize sleep. Because when money is lost, nothing is lost. When character is lost, something is lost. But when health is lost, everything is lost. 4. Social wealth. Ever heard the phrase, "Your network is your net worth"? Social wealth is about building meaningful relationships and surrounding yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment shapes who you become. A strong network will help you rise again. Cut out toxic energy and invest in relationships that uplift and inspire you. 5. Emotional wealth. True happiness comes from within. Money won't make you happy if you're emotionally broken. Emotional wealth is about mastering your mindset and inner peace. True wealth means being at peace with yourself, not just having a fat bank account. Practice gratitude, journal your thoughts, and seek therapy if needed. A calm mind is a wealthy mind. When your emotions are balanced, everything else falls into place. When you nurture your spirit, you gain clarity and resilience in life's challenges. True success isn't just about what you have, it's about who you become. Find purpose, serve others, and connect with something greater than yourself. So, which type of wealth are you focusing on? If you found this valuable, comment below and let's grow together. And don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement content.